Fairy Tales was born essentially out of the requirements or the gaps that I identified in my real life while I was taking care of Alex, who's my 5-year-old golden retriever. So we could identify a lot of the gap areas in a place like Goa, wherein there was no veterinary facility to take care of their health after the evening hours. So in case of an emergency, I believe all the pet parents in Goa were struggling to take their dogs or cats or any other small animals to a place wherein their health can be immediately attended to. So we got a lot of encouragement. We had the blessings of sir as well for us to come up with this concept, and this was highly encouraged by all the pet parents of Goa. This kind of a facility wherein we are providing all services like 24/7 healthcare, grooming, boarding, retail, a fully functional laboratory, and other diagnostics like X-ray and ultrasound. Soon we are also coming up with our hemodialysis facility. Such a facility is not there, I would say, not just in Goa, but even the larger metros like Delhi, Mumbai, or Bangalore. So this Fairy Tales was born out of the necessity to cater to the most holistic pet care needs.
What about the costing wise?
Initially, yes, we had to incur a lot of costs, but
No, costing wise, if somebody
the pricing that we have kept is even lower than some of the other clinical setups that you can go to in a place like Goa. So, like our consultation fees is very, very nominal. So are the charges for any other healthcare service. Other than that, we are also providing discounts to the rescued strays if someone is getting a rescued strays to us. So we are also contributing in this initiative from our side by providing discounted medical treatment. Not just that, to all the wards and families of defense personnel, be it ex-servicemen or someone serving in army, military, or the army, navy, or the air force. We are again giving them discounted treatments for their pets. Now this is our initiative, something that we want to do for the veterans who have done so much for our country.
Okay, sir. So तुम्ही
पेट केअर हांगा हॉस्पिटल सुरू केलें तेचें उद्घाटनाक आमचे बरोबर आसात आमचे सोशल वेलफेअर मिनिस्टर सुभाष फळदेसाय, सौरभ रमेश आनी आतांच आमचे एनिमल हजबंड्री मिनिस्टर ते येवन गेले, निळकण हळर्णकर. पण एक पळयलें की एकाच जाग्याचेर सगळे फॅसिलिटी इन्क्लुडींग फार्मासी, त्या पेट्साक जें लागपी सगळें खावपाचें, प्लस हांगासर एक बरी फॅसिलिटी आमी पळयली की बऱ्या तरेचे म्हणजे एक्सरे मशीन आसत, ऑपरेशन थिएटर आनी सगळ्यो फॅसिलिटी हांगा आसात. आनी तांच्यांनी आतां जशें सौरभान सांगलें, इनिशियली इट वील बी एट द रिजनेबल रेट्स तांच्यांनी चार्ज करप अशें ठरयल्लें आसा. पण म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत एकाच जाग्याचेर अश्यो फॅसिलिटी, एकाच जाग्याचेर बऱ्या तरेच्यो फॅसिलिटी मेळपी हें एकमेव सद्या तरी पेट केअर सेंटर अशें म्हाका दिसता. हांव तांकां कॉन्ग्रेच्युलेट करतां आनी इन लॉंग रन तें बरें चलचें अशें म्हाका.
Congratulations to Saurav and Ramesh who have given us a good facility for veterinary sections. All the dog lovers or pet parents from Goa. This kind of facility was never existing in Goa, and all the pet lovers used to. They had tough time to resolve the issues of our own pet. Some people love pet like a family members. And today when we have visited, we found everything is available at one point. Their food, their grooming, their boarding, their clinics, their laboratory, their operation theatre, everything at one place. So one need not worry. And they provide the services also to pick up and drop facilities, ambulances, everything is available in Goa. Goa is a touristic place and people love pets also. Goans also are very fond of pet, this thing with them, the cat and the dogs and a variety of that. And they have different kind of food for every breed also. So it is well managed, I think a very sophisticated hospital kind of thing, facilities which are available. And I hope and I feel that this was much needed in Goa, and they have given us this facility, and all the people from Goa will avail such a beautiful facility. There is nothing like that you have to go somewhere else to get such facility. Everything is available here, including the hematology, the blood reports, the foreign X-ray machines, the foreign laboratory equipments. Everything is bought either nationally or internationally to give everything at one place.